Bryn, get over here. Looks like Cousin Johnny's getting married.
Hey bro, can you take a quick flex pic for me? Like, low key though?
Yeah, no worries, bro. Low key, I got you. Alright, bro, what do you think of this one?
Yo, do you think you take one more? I didn't really like my stance. I kind of want to flex on my ex for this one.
Oh, okay, yeah, no worries, no
Yeah.
worries, that's okay. Okay. Nice.
Oh, that's the one.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be taking you along on a daily vlog. Guys, why are we limiting ourselves to one social media stream when we could be posting to, like, you know, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok? Like, what are your thoughts on that?
Actually, a good idea.
That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good.
What about you, Kyle?
Keep getting hit with these Lightroom preset ads from Subtitle Cinematics. Do you know anything about this?
How to maximize your video content in 2021. There's no better time than now to maximize your organic reach and traffic to your social media accounts. We have grown a combined social media audience of over 250,000 people. Let's jump right into how we did this. In this video, we're going to use some fitness video cinematic content as our example. This was a video we were hired to create for a local bodybuilder for the launch of his new online fitness app. First and foremost, the one thing that every creator is doing is taking their final edit and showcasing it onto their Instagram, which is great, but why stop there when there are multiple avenues of thriving social media platforms that are all competing with each other to offer you the most reach and watch time on your content as possible. Your content that you post onto each of these social media platforms that we're about to dig deep into need you, the creator, to keep their platforms running and competitive in today's social media landscape. So we created a 1-minute cinematic fitness edit for our client Adam of Divergent Training. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do is find a friend who is a filmmaker or hire on a behind-the-scenes shooter. This will enable you to use our exact strategy for maximizing and stretching your content to its full potential in 2021. Alright, so on the shoot with Adam, we filmed a 28-minute in-depth tutorial on how we film epic gym videos. I give a step-by-step process of how I did this, which is perfect content for our YouTube channel here on Royal Z Production. So now we have two pieces of content. A 1-minute final edit of the gym cinematic, which is posted to Instagram, and an educational video for YouTube. Great. Now let's take this 10 steps further. So what we did next was make a behind the scenes split screen. This shows myself capturing the footage of Adam on the bottom of the screen, and then on the top shows the final clips in the final cinematic video edit. So we made sure to crop this to square format, aka 1200 by 1500, as well as vertical format, so we can hard post this content and share it directly to our Instagram story. Boom, 2 pieces of Instagram content right there. So what I did next was cut out 7 to 10 30-second to 1-minute clips from the longer behind the scenes content. Basically what I did was take the Gary Vee podcast approach, where I cut the most educational parts of the how we shoot epic gym videos tutorial into separate vertical 1080 by 1920 and square 1200 by 1500 format videos. Now let's just assume here that we only cut one of these snippets out. So after this, we posted this mini video to multiple social media platforms, and what we're about to get into is key for stretching your content to its full potential. So first we started with Instagram. We try our best to post vertical videos onto Instagram, aka 1200 by 1500, due to the fact that they take up most of the screen. Therefore, you're more likely to have better engagement on your IG posts, and this has been a proven concept. When posting the Instagram post, we type up a paragraph talking about what's actually going on in the video. So as you can see, we used a lot of camera terms in this paragraph. Now, the reason for this is it definitely does help with Instagram's algorithm. So technically, it does keep somebody on that post for longer periods of time because they are actually reading through your caption while the video is even playing in the background. So this bumps up the watch time on your posts, which definitely helps feed that Instagram algorithm. So on this post, we got 709 likes, 17 comments, 30 shares, 185 saves, and 12,000 accounts reached. 90% weren't following our Instagram page, and 11,000 of that reach came from our hashtags. So feel free to screenshot this if you guys want some solid hashtags to use when posting filmmaking content onto your own Instagram account. Now keep in mind when you're using hashtags on Instagram, try to find hashtags that have to do with the niche of content that you're posting onto Instagram. So let's say we're posting filmmaking content. So we're gonna hashtag filmmaker. Now that's probably a very commonly used hashtag, and there may be millions upon millions of people who have used that hashtag. So that's actually a hashtag that we kind of want to stay away from. We found that using hashtags that have been used around 150,000 times is kind of the sweet spot for hashtags. So when you are looking for hashtags or niched hashtags, try to find something within that, I'd say 50,000 to 300,000, but the 150,000 mark is just perfect. So after you've posted your vertical video as a hard post onto Instagram, take that vertical format video and post it onto your Instagram story. Now after you've done this, share the Instagram hard post onto your story to drive even more traction to your original post on Instagram. Let's shift platforms now to TikTok. If you're not posting your content to TikTok as a filmmaker, you're losing out on the easiest organic reach we've seen to date. The organic reach on TikTok is something we've never seen before, and any filmmaker has the potential to blow up on this platform, whether you're at the level of Jacob Owens of the Buff Nerds Media, or you're maybe someone that just picked up a camera for the very first time. Here at Subtle Cinematics, we've been repurposing our content onto TikTok and grew from 0 to almost 3,000 followers in about 1 to 2 months. The beauty of building a TikTok following is that you can directly link your Instagram and YouTube account to the bio of your page, which helps move more followers and subscribers to your Instagram and YouTube channels. The best way to get the most organic reach on TikTok and have the highest chance to blow up is to be posting 1080 by 1920 vertical videos under 60 seconds. And the other thing I want to mention about TikTok as well is you never know when you are, let's say, posting your filmmaking content onto YouTube or Instagram, you really have no idea if it could potentially be a viral post, like a mega viral post. And this happened to me actually. I play the sport of airsoft, and I had taken my GoPros out on the field, and it's essentially like paintball, but you use BB guns, and I recorded all my gameplay footage. So what I did was I had all this summer's worth of gameplay footage, and I started trickling it out onto Instagram just for fun. Now they maybe got 100 to 400 views each video, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give TikTok a try. I'm going to post all of my content from airsoft onto TikTok and just see what happens. Next thing you know, one of the pieces of content that I posted has over 20 million views and went mega viral. So keep in mind that the content that you're posting onto Instagram, it could actually have the potential to just totally go crazy viral on TikTok, which will drive more traffic to your YouTube channel as well as your Instagram page. So now that you have that piece of content ready for TikTok, I want you to post it to TikTok. And if the TikTok now flops and it gets, maybe 0 views, 5 views, 100 views, I would recommend reposting that piece of content back onto your TikTok account up to 3 times, but post it at different times each time and use a different caption. This will greater your odds of having higher watch time and views, resulting in upwards of thousands of followers from just one post. Now I've done tons of research into TikTok over the past few months, especially after one of my accounts went completely viral, and I do find how the platform and algorithm works is very interesting. Be sure to smash that like button if you're finding value in this video as a filmmaker, and subscribe if you already haven't. Now let's shift back to YouTube. If you have over 10,000 subscribers, amazing. That means that you have the YouTube Stories feature unlocked. Repurposing your vertical videos and dumping them onto YouTube Stories is a great way to reach new subscribers. Every time I post a story, I gain around 10 new subscribers throughout the week of that story being posted. Better than nothing. Keep in mind that if you do have the YouTube Stories feature unlocked, you can simply take a screenshot of your newest YouTube video release and make a clickable thumbnail that links viewers of the story directly to your new YouTube video release. Now, most people watching this video probably haven't yet reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is okay. I have a couple extra tips and solutions for you. If your YouTube channel has 1,000 or more subscribers, congrats. You've unlocked the community tab section. Look at the community tab as a way to connect with your subscriber base. There's a few ways to best utilize the community tab on your YouTube channel. Tip number 1, be human. Asking questions on your community tab, such as what are your biggest challenges being a creator or filmmaker? I felt that adding a dope behind the scenes picture of myself on set filming always makes community tab posts have higher engagement. Tip number 2. Posting community tab polls. Polls seem to have the best engagement on YouTube community tabs because it allows people to have a say anonymously. Here's an example of a recent poll I made that says, what content would you like us to drop next? Then a poll below that shows 4 different types of YouTube content we're going to be rolling out over the next couple of weeks. This poll had over 100 people participate in and also had a few comments which you can respond to further engage with your audience. Tip number 3. Sharing your YouTube posts onto the community tab. For some reason, I've never had much success with this, but it is still worth doing. I really wish you could see the analytics on the impressions and people who have actually engaged with the community tab posts, but again, it's totally worth doing since it's literally as easy as clicking share on your video, then adding text to the post. Boom, easy. Now let's feed the YouTube algorithm even more. YouTube just released their new YouTube Shorts feature. Essentially, YouTube rolled out this new plan to compete with TikTok. Let's be real, it's 100% to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. A YouTube Shorts video is a vertical video that is 60 seconds or less in length. If the video catches onto an algorithm, it will be placed in the YouTube Shorts shelf, which can be found on the homepage of everyone's YouTube mobile app. Because YouTube just released this feature, they're going to be pushing it heavy. It will be easier than ever to get organic reach on your YouTube Shorts videos than ever before. So yes, hop on this new trend before it's too late. And did I mention, you can create YouTube Shorts with 0 subscribers on your account. So this feature is open to anybody and is not just exclusive to the amount of subscribers you have. But keep in mind, YouTube Shorts watch time doesn't go towards the 4,000 hours of watch time that you will need to unlock the community tab when your account reaches 1,000 subscribers. From the research I've done, I've seen people's YouTube Shorts absolutely exploding with organic reach on accounts with less than 500 subscribers. Their shorts have gotten over 200,000 views and gained them upwards of 2,000 plus subscribers in that single YouTube short video. YouTube purposely put a big red subscribe button next to your username so that people can easily subscribe to your channel when viewing YouTube Shorts. In my opinion, this could arguably be the best way to kick off your YouTube channel in 2021. The biggest thing I will mention is when you make a YouTube short, it will show up on your channel homepage with a super ugly thumbnail. So to combat this, I highly recommend that you take the time to make your custom thumbnails for your YouTube shorts, basically just so your page looks nice and clean. I felt that it also helps to place the hashtag shorts in the title of the video and anywhere in the description of the video. Don't get discouraged if your videos flop within the first few days of posting. I've heard from many creators that they don't see views rolling in until upwards of 2 to 4 weeks of posting their shorts. One thing I'll notice with YouTube Shorts as well is sometimes my shorts will hover around like 100 or 200 views and then all of a sudden they'll just spike to like 400 or 500. So I think the reason why people are getting that 400 or 500, maybe even 1,000 view spike and then it just deadlines and kind of drops off on views and engagement is because YouTube is testing your video on YouTube Short Shelf. So maybe they'll take your video, place it on the short shelf for, let's say, 20 minutes, and if it skyrockets in watch time and high engagement, then they're going to push it to even more people and keep pushing it. Pretty much the exact same how Instagram Reels and TikTok's algorithm work. Now that we've produced all of this content for social media outlets, let's look at how to make some passive income streams as a filmmaker. While we were on this fitness video set, we also snapped some photos of Adam with the intent to create digital assets such as Lightroom desktop presets, LUTs, and raw editing file packs. So first we started with a pack of 6 Lightroom presets which we sell on our online shop for $5. I then created a pack of 8 gym LUTs which we sell on our online shop for $9.99. We took it a step further and zipped every single raw file from our fitness video set and sold the raw files so creators like yourself can practice editing gym videos all on your own without having to shoot the footage themselves, which we sell for $20. Guys, that's 3 new sources of potential passive revenue streams right there. Each of these digital assets can have a quick hit 15-second promo video in vertical format to help market and sell the digital assets. These vertical videos can be posted each as hard posts to Instagram, story posts, sharing the Instagram hard post to your story as clickable links, TikTok posts, as well as YouTube story posts. Last but not least, we have Facebook. Facebook, for me personally, has been a platform that has just kind of fallen on the back burner for us. But the best way to keep your Facebook page consistent with content is to go to your Instagram backend and enable the option to, when you post an Instagram hard post, the post also gets directly uploaded to your Facebook feed. I feel the organic reach has dipped substantially in the last few years on Facebook, and most businesses have been laser focused on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as of 2020 and now 2021. So let's recap. With us having a 1-minute cinematic video and long educational behind the scenes of the 1-minute cinematic video set, we were able to create the following content. For Instagram, we have a full-length 1-minute cinematic video, a behind-the-scenes split-screen hard post, a behind-the-scenes split-screen in vertical format, behind-the-scenes split-screen hard post reshare, one vertical cropped educational video snipped from the full behind-the-scenes on YouTube and posted directly to our Instagram page. The same video but cropped to vertical for a Instagram story post, an Instagram post for the cinematic shared to Instagram story, Instagram post of the educational video shared to Instagram story, 3 digital asset hard posts to Instagram, 3 digital asset vertical crop posts to Instagram story, and 3 Instagram shares of the digital asset hard posts. For TikTok, we have a full-length cinematic video, an educational vertical video behind the scenes split screen, 3 vertical digital asset promo ads. For Facebook, we have everything that we hard posted to Instagram, which would be 6 posts. Now for YouTube, we have the full-length 1-minute cinematic gym video, the full-length 28-minute behind-the-scenes video of how we shot the fitness video, 1-minute educational fitness vertical video snippet posted as a YouTube Shorts, 1-minute educational fitness vertical video snippet posted to YouTube Stories, 3 vertical video digital asset promos to YouTube Stories, behind-the-scenes split screen posted again to YouTube Stories, linking the full-length behind-the-scenes YouTube video screenshot to YouTube Stories, YouTube Community tab post sharing the cinematic gym video, YouTube Shorts, vertical video, and the full length behind the scenes. So all in all, we stretched 2 pieces of content into around 36 social media posts ranging from 4 different types of social media platforms. Now I know that most people aren't into making educational videos revolving around filmmaking, but I wanted to create this video to broaden your mindset on how to maximize content to its full potential in 2021. It's solely up to you to tap into that creative mind of yours and think of ways to stretch your content onto multiple social media platforms and take full advantage of the ungodly amount of screen time and watch time people spend on their mobile devices consuming content day in and day out. I hope everyone found this video helpful. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more filmmaking behind the scenes, tips, tricks, vlogs, and more. See you on the next one. Peace. Wait, what's Dyson's next line?
What's Dyson?
Oh, I'll be taking a...
Okay, good. Oh, that's the one.
That is. Alright, ready, bro? Alright. Ask me to take a photo for you.
Bro, you gotta stop laughing.
Alright, sorry, bro.
Bro, yo,
Fuck, man.
hey, bro, can you grab a quick flex pic?
Yo, wait, one more? Let's go. Hey, bro, can you grab a quick flex pic of me, but like low key though? One more time.
Okay, today, boys,